3D printing can do far more than printing toys and trinkets. Here are 16 3D prints I actually use all the time. Number 16. Automatic light button presser. My video lights use a terrible Bluetooth app that barely works, so I kept having to climb a ladder just to turn on my lights. To solve this, I 3D printed a small servo finger that physically presses the button effortlessly without ever having to touch them. Number 15. Custom lampshade. We had a lamp with no shade around the house, which made it unusable, but I didn't want to throw it away. So I printed a custom lampshade with a patterned design. Now the light is softer and it throws a cool shadow on the wall. Number 14. 3D printed microscope. High-resolution microscopes are expensive and inaccessible in many places. So this open source project uses 3D printed parts and cheap motors to build a precise automated microscope. It can scan slides and stitch them together into detailed images. I use it at home to explore plant tissue and pond water. Number 13. Coin sorter. My wallet doesn't hold coins, so I lose change all over the house. To solve this, I 3D printed a coin sorter that organizes everything by size. Now my spare change stays clean and sorted and easy to grab. Number 12. Laser engraved picture frame. Store-bought picture frames are boring and not customizable. So I combined laser engraving with 3D printing to make a custom wood-accented picture frame. Now I can create personalized art and decor whenever I need. Number 11. Furniture scale models. It's hard to visualize apartment layouts by just imagining them. So we 3D printed scale models for our furniture. Now we can plan layouts physically before buying or rearranging anything. Number 10. Automatic water measuring system. When mixing plant fertilizers, my calculator gives me precise numbers like 5,487 milliliters of water. Manually mixing that is slow and inaccurate. So I printed a scale with a valve that fills the exact amount automatically. I type the number and just walk away. Number 9. Utility knife. Box cutters get dull, break, or disappear constantly, so I printed a reusable knife that swaps standard blades easily. Now I always have a sharp and easily replaceable cutter ready in seconds. Number 8. 3D printed clamps. You never have the right clamp when you need one. Sometimes you have a big chips bag or a sandwich bag that you need to clamp together and you just don't have the right clamp. So I print custom sized clamps whenever I need them. Now I can make my own clamps in minutes instead of buying them off Amazon. 7. Custom funnels. Standard funnels don't always fit all containers, and I sometimes use some strange sized containers. So instead I print my own funnels in custom shapes. Now I don't have to worry anymore about my container sizes. Number 6. DIY air filter for laser fumes. Laser cutting produces toxic smoke and bad smells, so I printed a modular air filter with a pre-filter, HEPA filter, and carbon stage to keep my workshop air clean for a fraction of the cost of commercial systems. Number 5. Small part storage. Storing screws and tiny parts is always a mess, so I printed modular boxes with a sliding, rotating lid that easily locks neatly underneath. Now all my small parts stay organized and easy to access. Number 4. USB charger desk mount. I use USB-C for everything, headphones, tools, cameras, and more. So I 3D printed a mount that can hold my charger right next to me. Now whenever I need to plug in a device, I don't need to hunt for a charger, I can just grab to the right and plug it in. Number 3. Counter-mounted kitchen bin. I hate walking to the trash while I prepare food. So I printed a small kitchen bin that clips right onto the counter. Now when I'm cutting my onions, I can just sweep the scraps right into the bin instead of having to walk all the way to the corner. Number 2. Custom smart home remote. I control a lot of machines and devices around the house. So I printed a custom universal remote that handles IR and ESP devices around my house. Now this remote control can control anything from my lights to my gadgets. Number 1, last but not least, the ultimate storage system. Tool and general storage always become chaos over time. So I switched to exclusively using the Gridfinity modular system in all my drawers. I print custom bins for everything and life has never been easier. Now all my drawers are effortlessly organized, from batteries to tools to camera gear, you name it. And that's it. 3D printing has actually changed how I think about the world and my ability to create things. If you have any 3D prints that made a big impact in your life or gave you a change in perspective, please let me know down in the comments below. Otherwise, thank you for watching and I hope you have a great day. Bye!